Okay, so dv dt is v squared plus 9, so we're going to separate the variables again. So we need to keep this as one sort of package, yeah? And we're going to move it across the other side. And, you know, if I took that dt, I'm going to take that dt up to the right here, over to the right, so because I'm dividing here, when I take it over, I'm going to times by this. So that means then I should take this over and divide. Now I've got 1 in front here, so that'll be 1 divided by v squared plus 9. It's the integral of that with respect to v. And then on the other side then I've just got dt. Okay, 1 dt. So here then I've got 1 over v squared plus 9. So I need to then look at my standard integral results. And you'll see then straight away, this is the integral we're looking at, yeah? A squared plus v squared, which is what I've got here, okay? So my v squared's on this side, yeah? Plus 9 makes no difference the order here. So it's going to be 1 over a, so 1 over 3, okay? Tan to the minus 1 of v over 3, and that will equal to, well, 1 dt becomes t plus then c, okay? So what I can do then is work out the constant, because I'm given v is 3 when t is 0. Okay, so we sub it in. So essentially c will equal that there, yeah? So, you know, you can use a calculator on that, but you've got to make sure it's in radian mode, yeah? Okay, so mine's already in radian mode, but remember, if you want to change it, you just press shift setup, and then angle unit, radian mode there. So I've got, what have I got? 1/3 shift tan to the minus 1 of 3 over 3, which is just 1, of course, and it comes to 1/12 pi. So pi by 12, pi divided by 12, okay? So I've got, therefore, 1/3 tan to the minus 1 of v over 3 is equal to t plus pi by 12, okay? Now, we need to get v equals, so we've got to sort of escape the v from the tan to the minus 1, the clause of tan to the minus 1. Before then, what you do is deal with this third, right? So because there's a third here, take it over, the 3 over, multiply this side, okay? Or just times through by 3, you can think of it like that. So I get tan to the minus 1 of v over 3 equals 2. Well, if I times this by 3, that will become 3t. And times that by 3 pi over 12 becomes pi over 4. Okay, now, how do I get rid of that tan to the minus 1? Well, take it over to the side and do the opposite. The opposite of tan to the minus 1, of course, if you think about it, is just tan. Okay, so tan of 3t plus pi over 4. So you've got to do, when you take that tan to the minus 1 over, you've got to do tan of all of this. Okay, and then to finish off, just take the 3 over, or times through by 3, you can say, again. And we have v equals to 3 in front, then tan 3t plus pi by 4. There's our result of v in terms of t.